Good day everyone, I am Eva Mae Labarda from BSA-1A. In this video, I will be delivering a speech which is about the impact of climate change on human health. Our world is uncertain and it was constantly changing. Over the years, in an effort to expand, we burned enough of our planet, resulting to a sudden change and long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns, which may be caused by human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels. These changes that the world is experiencing much today as what we call climate change. Most people think of climate change as just an environmental issue that is natural and we shouldn't worry about. But the World Health Organization had declared that climate change is the biggest threat to human health facing humanity in the 21st century. Nowadays, climate change is the biggest problems of human being and human lives. It is already here and it represents one of the greatest environmental, social, economic, and health threats facing the planet. As we grow in numbers, the threats of climate change grows as well, affecting our health particularly. Climate change may affect our health and well-being through the impacts of extreme events, worsening air quality, changes in spread of infectious diseases, threats to food and water quality and quantity, and effects on our mental health. Those changes are creating new health risks in the community across the world. Extreme weather, unhealthy air quality, and disease outbreak are becoming more frequent and more severe, affecting more people in different places. Changes on our climate could result to an extreme heat level that could lead to heat stroke, heat exhaustion, cramps, dehydration, or even death. Everyone can be at risk, but particularly, there are more individuals who are more vulnerable, namely pregnant women, children, older adults, persons with medical conditions. A change in climate also means of experiencing more frequent and stronger storms and floods that can affect or even destroy not just houses and infrastructures, but even lives. As average temperature increases and rise across the globe, the air quality can also change, resulting to air pollution getting worse by increasing density of dangerous particles that might trigger asthma attack and allergies. Climate change really affects our society. Its impact towards our natural resources, environment, climate, and even to our social and cultural lives can be disturbing and dangerous if it continues over time. But we will not allow it to happen. As early as today, we should take actions. There are some possible ways to mitigate climate change that should be in a natural climate solutions. We should improve management of land in order to increase carbon storage or avoid greenhouse gas emissions in landscape worldwide and the conservation and restoration. We can make a difference though climate change by supporting small local producers and make animals and crops resilient to climate change. Keeping fossil fuels in the ground, investing in renewable energy, switching to sustainable transport, improving farming, reducing use of plastics, planting trees and mangroves, practicing proper waste disposal can be an effective solutions to prevent climate change. We may not be sure if when this climate change will stop, but if we work together and take actions today, everything will be possible.